If your sink is gurgling, the first thing I'd recommend checking out is your P-trap. The main purpose of the P-trap is to keep smells out, but when air gets trapped, it can make your sink gurgle. The P-trap might look simple, but it's one of the most important parts of your plumbing. Its job is to hold a little bit of water at all times, which works as a seal to block sewer gases from sneaking into your home. It also helps water flow smoothly when you use your sink. But when air gets trapped inside the curve, it's when things get noisy. Most often, it's because of a clog in your drain that's slowing the water down. And here's another scenario. If you don't use your sink very often, the water inside the P-trap can actually evaporate, especially here in Arizona. Without that water barrier, sewer gases escape and you get foul smells and sometimes even bugs. This is a very simple DIY, but only if your sink is fitted with threaded connections rather than glued together. If it is glued together, I would recommend calling a professional plumber because that's a much more invasive project. To start, to drop the P-trap with the threaded connections, you unthread it at the sink. Both ends will have a threaded connection. You will drop the P-trap carefully. I recommend inside of a bucket to catch the excess water once the P-trap is dropped. Once you drop it out, dump it out and inspect it. Once it's cleared, it's as simple as putting the nuts right back onto the threaded connections. Another important part is to make sure the seals that come with it are facing the proper way, which go with the flow of water. And then it's as simple as hand tightening, making sure that it's nice and snug, and then give it another quarter turn just for safekeepings. So if you've tried taking your P-trap apart and you're still hearing the gurgling, that's a sign that there's a bigger issue at play. And at that point, I'd recommend calling a professional plumber like Parker & Sons. We've been helping the Arizona homeowners with problems like this for over 50 years, and we would love to help you too. Thanks for watching.